Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how can you use VPN on School Chromebook. In order to use VPN on School Chromebook, you can follow these steps. So what you want to do is first thing first, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now to get VPN on school, there are different ways of doing it. Or there are different ways of getting a VPN on your School Chromebook. You could use Chrome extension via Android app or manually configure a VPN. Now, first thing, what you could do is using a Chrome extension is the simplest way to get a VPN on a School Chromebook. Now, while using this method, you will require an extension that allows you to control and a VPN that offers browser extension support as well. So, step number one is to open the Chrome Web Store. So, open up a browser and type in Web Store and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. After which, you want to look for a free VPN extension. On the search box, type in that. Go ahead and choose to add it to the Chrome. After you've added it to the Chrome browser, then you just need to click on the extension or click on the added VPN extension and click on activate VPN. After you've done it so, you'll be able to use the VPN as well. Now similarly, the next way is via an Android VPN app. Now for this, you might need a BlueStacks Android emulator. And once you've already installed the Android emulator or BlueStacks, then you would go ahead and log in with your Google account. Head over to your Play Store and then search for the VPN in the Google Play Store. You could go with NordVPN or maybe TurboVPN, whichever is convenient for you. Install the VPN app and click the open button. After which, and create an account or enter your login details, select the server from a country and start using the VPN. So this is how you could actually use a VPN. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.